What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Porsche remote head key fob. This Porsche remote key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob. We're going to hold it with the buttons facing up. Then I'm going to take my screwdriver, and down here near the key blade there's a little bit of a space that will allow you to get your screwdriver in there like that, and then pry up on that front cover. And then once that comes off, I'm going to kind of just turn this over and dump that circuit board out, so to speak. And I'll just set that back in the cover. And we see our battery right here. I'll use my screwdriver just to help get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. So then I'll kind of tuck that edge in first like that, snap it down into place, and then we'll snap this front cover back on. Make sure that's all the way snapped down, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.